feel like we are seeing more and more of these Arizona sun, also called blanket flowers, in lots of people's gardens. They come out, they kind of look like a coneflower because of the way that they finish off. They love full sun, well draining soil like everything else. They'll grow 12 inches tall and be 12 to 18 inches wide. I'm going to put them over here in my garden, where I'm going to be transferring this to herbs once the beets are done. I already have the nasturtiums here. You can actually eat these, they're very peppery. And then I'll add the herbs in here, but also I want to have a lot of flowering things over here, or a fruit that needs pollinators. But pollinators love this blanket flower, and I know it'll attract a lot. I do have my chamomile over here that is like busting at the seams, and I'll come through and harvest a lot of this to keep it going. But behind there I do have a pot on either side, and they're going to hold this blanket flower, the Arizona sun. I'm going to refresh the soil. I'm going to use some earthworm castings, some compost. I'm going to use flower tone, and then I'm going to water it in with some Morbloom, which I will have a link in the description if you would like to have access to that at your fingertips. It is something that I use to prevent transplant shock. I have a feeling I will have a lot of chamomile growing in this bed. Shaking up Morbloom really well. It is 0-10-10. Nope. Adding a couple swigs. Add some water on top so it mixes in real well. After you've sufficiently water, then you can add in your fertilizer so it will not take up too much fertilizer after being watered. I have a lot of little blooms that are about to emerge, and all of this yellow is ready to come out of the pot. So gorgeous like this. That hot red color with the yellow really does make it pop, and it needs its own area because of the red. But I think that these are becoming super popular, these blanket flowers. Arizona sun. Go find one. I believe they're perennials in zone 8A, and pollinators will love them. Follow for more.